This is the Petzl EASHOOK Open Double Action Snap. Before we dive right in, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out all of our other amazing content, drop a comment down below and let us know what you think. Let's dive right in. So this product is new to our warehouse, new to Bartlett. Actually, I've been anticipating this arrival for a little bit because for those that like snaps and you like getting lanyards that have sewn eyes or splice eyes, whatever the case is, but you have to send it out or have somebody professionally do it, and you have a wait time, right, and you want your product right there, this is a great option for that. Reason why, you can actually take the Allen wrench that comes with the EASHOOK, opens up at the bottom, so all we have to do is a quick disassemble. Take this guy out, make sure we don't lose this little gold piece right there, and like I said, easy assemble. Just take that guy in, push him through. We're gonna actually put that gold little piece there, stumbling around a little bit just because of excitement, and rethread that guy locked in there. Make sure you tighten it up. That's nice and tight, and you're good to go on that lanyard. No need, like I said, no need for wait time. Incredible little product. Let us know what you think. Find this product over at bartlettman.com. You can also Google us at Bartlett Arborist Supply. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe, everybody.